In this exercise, we make use of a normal standard AEC wall. As you can see, it's a cavity wall, and we're going to add a window to the corner of this wall. So on the left hand side, the normal standard window command. I'm just going to stick to a standard window. I'm going to say OK, and I place my window. So now either you move or you extend the frame to say to the inside corner of the wall. Now at the moment, as you can see, this is the results you're getting. The reason for it is they're both sharing the same Endcap style. So you would like to have different information or detail. So now to change the Endcap style. Now to do so, on your left hand side at the top, we're going to go to Manage, and we go down to AEC Style Manager. On your left hand side, under your architectural, you'll go down to wall opening Endcap styles, and as you can see, this is the particular wall style I'm using. Now that is the Endcap style it's using at the moment. We're going to clone, we're going to create a copy of this Endcap style, and let's call this one new Endcap, and I'm going to say OK. So what will happen now is it's sharing it because we cloned the wall style, but what we want to do is we want to change the B. Now at the moment, as you can see, the B is on the right hand side. So they both sharing the same Endcap style. So I'm going to change the B to standard, and I'm going to say apply. I'm going to say close. If I select the window on the right hand side in my object properties, as soon as you scroll down, you will see that there's an option that says Endcap style. So it's set by wall style. So I'm going to change it now to the new one that we've created, new Endcap. And as you can see, that is now the end result, because now they no longer share the same Endcap style. Just a matter of interest, for those that missed out on the previous launches, we do have corner windows. So if you go to your drawer, we go down to window, door openings, and then you'll see the second command that says create corner window. In the dialog itself, my head height is 2100, my height is 1000, my width on the first wall is going to be 1200, and the width on the second wall is going to be 800. So I'm going to say OK, and Caddie will ask us select the wall, to inside, the first one and the second one, and there we go, there's your corner window.